Why do you need a rooftop cargo carrier for BMW 5 Series? When it comes to owning a BMW 5 Series, you already know that you are driving a luxurious and powerful vehicle. But as a BMW owner, you also understand that space can sometimes be limited, especially when it comes to transporting luggage or large items. This is where a rooftop cargo carrier comes in handy. Having a rooftop cargo carrier for your BMW 5 Series can provide you with the extra space you need to transport your belongings safely and securely. Whether you are going on a road trip, camping adventure, or simply need to transport bulky items, a rooftop cargo carrier allows you to free up space inside your vehicle and ensure that your belongings are protected from the elements. In addition, a rooftop cargo carrier for your BMW 5 Series can also help to maintain the sleek and elegant appearance of your vehicle. With a high-quality cargo carrier specifically designed for your BMW, you can rest assured that it will complement the aesthetic of your car and enhance its overall look. Furthermore, a rooftop cargo carrier can improve your driving experience by providing you with more legroom and comfort inside the vehicle. By storing your luggage on the roof, you can enjoy a more spacious and clutter-free interior, making your journeys more enjoyable and stress-free. Overall, a rooftop cargo carrier for your BMW 5 Series is a practical and stylish accessory that can enhance the functionality and appearance of your vehicle. Whether you are a frequent traveler or simply need extra storage space, investing in a rooftop cargo carrier is a smart choice for any BMW owner. How to install rooftop cargo carriers on BMW 5 Series. Installing a rooftop cargo carrier on your BMW 5 Series can be a great way to add extra storage space for your travels. Here are the steps you can follow to ensure a smooth installation process. 1. Choose the right rooftop cargo carrier. Before you begin, make sure to select a rooftop cargo carrier that is compatible with your BMW 5 Series. Look for carriers that are specifically designed for your car model to ensure a perfect fit. 2. Gather the necessary tools. You will need a set of basic tools such as a screwdriver, wrench, and measuring tape to install the rooftop cargo carrier. Make sure you have everything you need before getting started. 3. Prepare the roof rack. If your BMW 5 Series already has a roof rack installed, you will need to adjust it to accommodate the rooftop cargo carrier. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to adjust the roof rack to fit the carrier securely. 4. Place the rooftop cargo carrier on the roof. Carefully place the rooftop cargo carrier on top of the roof rack, ensuring that it is centered and aligned properly. Double-check to make sure that the carrier is securely in place before proceeding. 5. Secure the rooftop cargo carrier. Use the provided mounting hardware to secure the rooftop cargo carrier to the roof rack. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to properly secure the carrier to ensure it is stable and safe for use. 6. Test the installation. Once the rooftop cargo carrier is securely in place, give it a gentle shake to make sure it is stable. Also, check for any loose screws or bolts that may need tightening. 7. Load your cargo. With the rooftop cargo carrier properly installed, you can now load your belongings onto the carrier. Make sure to distribute the weight evenly to prevent any imbalances while driving. By following these steps, you can easily install a rooftop cargo carrier on your BMW 5 Series and enjoy the added convenience of extra storage space for your travels.